Don't forget to hit that subscribe. Don't forget to hit. Hello mga Popsi, mga mamita! Of course, ito naman ang echoserong kusinero na si Popsi Emil. And for today's video, gagawa tayo ng Biko. So, it's a famous dessert sa Pilipinas. Let's start with our ingredients. We have 2 cups of malagkit rice. We call it sweet rice or glutinous rice. 2 cups of coconut milk and another 1 cup of coconut milk. I'll show you guys bakit dalawa yung natin, coconut milk. Some 1 cup, it's isang 2 cups. 1 cup of water, 1 cup of brown sugar. I have some jackfruits, Langka for our malagkit. I-mix lang natin siya later and I'll show you guys how to do it. So first off guys, we're gonna put our rice. Of course, it should be washed and drained. Yan, and after mga 10 minutes, this will be your toppings later. Next, what you're going to do is to add your rice, your sticky rice dito sa ating latik. And all you need to do is to, mix it. Haluin mo lang siya. Makover ng latik yung rice natin. Then, don't forget to add your langka. So, ito-transfer natin siya sa ating pan. So, don't forget to spray your pan with non-stick cooking spray. I-grease lang natin siya. I always use paper towel. Transfer your Biko into the pan. Then, preheat nyo na yung oven nyo for 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So while you guys are doing all of this stuff, nag-preheat na siya at pagkatapos nyo, pwede nyo siyang ilagay sa oven. And lastly, our latik on top. They turn our homes into ashes. We fled out the back door. We ran to... And we're ready to put this inside the oven. Still not used to all this concrete. Abandoned cars in the outskirts where we sit and eat. We sleep in the backseat. And there you go guys, and this is our finished product ng ating Biko. Okay, thank you very much sa panonood na aking channel, na aking video. Hanggang sa muli, ito po si Popsi Emil na nagsasabing, all you need in life is enough and a little more to share. Thank you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit and like the Don't forget to hit. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.